Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to begin the discussion of first quarter week 1 of mathematics, which is sets. After going through this module, you're expected to illustrate well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, null set, cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, and the difference of two sets. Moving on to our discussion, so set is an organized collection of objects with common characteristics. There are three ways to describe sets. One is a written expression, another is through listing or rooster method, and the last one is by set notation. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's answer first the learning test 1. So all you have to do is to identify all the possible answers for the statements below. So I'm giving you 2 minutes answering learning test 1. So while answering learning test 1, you can pause this video so that you can answer in 2 minutes. So your timer starts now. Okay, so let us check your work, the learning test 1. All you have to do is identify all the possible answers for the statements below. So the first statement is all the provinces in region 4A. So of course, all the provinces in the region 4A, we have Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. So those are the provinces of region 4A. Next, number 2, numbers greater than 8. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on. So all the numbers that is greater than 8, so if your answer is greater than 8, that is also correct. Next, number 3, all subjects in grade 7. Of course, all your subjects on this school year is mathematics, we have Filipino, English, MAPE, Science, TLE, ESP, and AP. So those are all your subjects. Next, number 4, vowels in the English alphabet. Of course, we only have 5 vowels in the English alphabet. We have A, E, I, O, and U. Of course, those are the vowels in the English alphabet. Next, number 5. 5 animals with 4 legs. So, I'm giving this answer. Those are the animals that has 4 legs. We have dog, cat, cow, horse, and goat. So, if your answer is different from this one, but that animal has 4 legs also, that is also correct. Moving on to proper discussion. So, a while ago, as I said, so sets is described in different ways. There are 3 ways in describing the set. So the members of a set can be described in different ways. So the first one is by definition, such as the set of counting the numbers of a set. The second one is by listing each member of a set, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Next, number 3, by set notation, such as primary color is equal to red, yellow, and blue. So moving on to illustrative example 1, so let's describe the elements of each set. So the first set, we have set A, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. How do you describe the elements of set A? So the answer is set A is the set of even numbers from 4 to 12. We have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Next, we have second set. We have set B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How do you describe the elements of set B? So set B is the set of counting numbers from 1 to 6. Next set, we have set C. How do you describe the elements of set C? Of course, set C is a null set. How about set D? Set D, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. How do you describe set D? So we have set D is the set of factors of 18. So all numbers or all the elements in set D is factors of 18. Next example, we have illustrative example number 2. So you have to describe the subset and universal set shown below. So we have the given set, we have the universal set, and the subset, which is set Q. So we have, in this example, we can describe the sets this way. So set U is the universal set. So set U is the universal set. So the set numbers are from 1 to 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is the universal set. And our set Q is a subset of U, or subset of universal set. So the set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So we have the subset of U, which is set Q, the even numbers from 1 to 10. So moving on to illustrative example number 3. So use the diagram below to answer the questions that follow. So we have here the diagram. So the first question is, what elements are found in the union of A and B? The union of A and B. So let's have this first. So we use this symbol to denote the union of sets, and this symbol to denote the intersection of sets. Remember the symbol U to denote the union of sets, and this symbol to denote the intersection of sets. So going back to the question, what elements are found in the union of set A and B? Set A and set B. So since set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, and 20, and set B is equal to 4, 5, 7, 14, 20, 21, and 23, thus, the union of set A and set B is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 14, 20, 21, and 23. So that is the union of set A and set B. Second question, we have, what is the cardinality of the union of A and B? So cardinality of the union of A and B. So there are 10 elements found in the union of set A and B. So let us count those 10 elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is the cardinality of the union of A and B. Next question number 3. What elements are found in the intersection of A and B? Intersection of A and B. So the elements that are found in the intersection of A and B are, we have the intersection of A and B is equal to 4, 14, and 20. Next question. Question number 4. What is the cardinality of the intersection of A and B? Remember, the cardinality of the intersection of A and B are, The intersection of sets A and B has 3 elements. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We have 4, 14, and 20. So that is the cardinality of the intersection of set A and set B. Next question. Question number 5. What are the elements in complement of a set A? Of complement of set B. So the elements of the complement of A or set A is equal to 5, 7, 21, and 23. Try to look at this figure or this diagram. So we have set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 11, 14, and 20. So we have the complement of set A is 5, 7, 21, and 23. And what about the complement of set B? So we have set B is equal to 4, 5, 7, 14, 20, 21, and 23. Therefore, the complement of set B is equal to 2, 6, and 11. So, moving on to next example, we have illustrative example number 4. So we have given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to find A minus B and B minus A. So let's have to find the difference A minus B. We begin by taking away every element of A that is also an element of B. Remember, to find the difference of A minus B, first we begin to taking away every element of A that is also an element of B. So since A shares the elements 4, 5, and 6 with B, so this gives us the set difference. So A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Next, so the difference B minus A consists of elements of B that are not in A. Therefore, B minus A is equal to 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's analyze the definition of terms that we have. So first term that we have is a set. A set is a well-defined collection of different objects. So any objects such as numbers, people, letters of the alphabet, and symbols can make up a set. Next term that we have is a subset. So a subset is a set whose elements are members of another set. That is a subset. Next, the universal set. The universal set contains all the elements being considered in a given situation. So universal set is all the elements being considered in a given situation. Next term that we have is a null set. A null set is an empty set. It has no element. The null set is a subset of any set. So that is a null set. Next term that we have is the union of sets. So the union of sets is the set of all elements found in both sets. So the union of A and B, denoted by union of A and B, and read as A union B, is the set of all elements belonging to either of the sets or in both. So it is the result of adding or combining the elements of two or more sets. So that is the union of sets, the set of all elements found in both sets. Next term that we have the intersection of sets A and B. So denoted by intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both sets A and B. So sets with no common elements are called disjoint sets. Remember, if the set has no common elements, that is disjoint sets. Next term that we have is the complement of set A. Denoted by complement of set A is the set of all elements that are not in set A but in the universal set. That is the complement of set A. Next is the cardinality of set. The cardinality of set is the number of elements contained in a set. So, the number of elements contained in a set is the cardinality of set. And last but not the least, the last term is the difference of two sets. It is written as A minus B is the set of all elements of A that are not elements of B.